Exercise 1.5. Question number 7. If F mapping R to R and G mapping R to R are defined by f of x is equal to x raised to 5 and g of x is equal to x raised to 4, then check if f, g are 1, 1 and f of g is 1, 1. Solution. First, here in our question f mapping R to R is given. Here R to R means first set is domain, second set is codomain. First write domain and codomain for f. If f mapping R to R, it is given in our question, we can write the domain is equal to this first set R and the codomain is equal to the second set R. Here R means set of all real numbers. These are also set of all real numbers. Given f of x is given. F of x is equal to x raised to 5. Here f of x is given x raised to 5. That equation can be taken here. F of x is equal to x raised to 5. X are the elements of domain. Elements of domain. Here elements of domain are called values of x. Therefore, we can take the values of x from this domain or this R. R means set of all real numbers. Any number can be taken. Any real number can be taken for x. Therefore, first take, for example, -1. Then 1, 0, etc. Any number can be taken for x. Since here x is set of all real numbers. X belongs to this R. Therefore, we can take x is equal to -1 first. Here substitute x is equal to -1. Here x is equal to -1 means here also we can substitute x -1. -1 whole raised to 5. -1 whole raised to 5 is nothing but -1. This -1 belongs to R. R means this is a real number. Therefore, we can write belongs to R. This R means codomain. This R is nothing but codomain. Then take next number for x. X is equal to 1. Here we can substitute 1. 1 raised to 5 is equal to 1. That one belongs to R. R means this codomain. Second set is called a codomain. Then we can substitute next values, etc. We will get here also we will get corresponding values of f of x or y. Here we will get. Now, from these values we can say here the number of elements in the domain is equal to the number of elements in the range. Here number of elements in domain is now 2. Here also 2. Here these elements are the elements of range. Therefore, here number of elements is 2. Here number of elements 2. Therefore, they are equal here. Now, we can write here the number of elements in the domain is equal to number of elements in the range. Or otherwise we can say each element in the domain has different images in the codomain. Here, each element in the domain has different images, different values in codomain. Therefore, we can say given f of x is equal to x raised to 5 is 1, 1 function. Now, first one is over here. Then second, here we got f is 1, 1 function. Then find out g. Take g. Here g mapping R to R is given. Therefore, if g of x or g mapping R to R, from this mapping we can write the domain is equal to R. This R. This R means first set. Then codomain is second R. This is codomain. Set of all real numbers. R means set of all real numbers. Then given g of x is equal to x raised to 4. G of x is equal to x raised to 4 is given in our question. That equation can be taken. Then here also we can take x from domain. Here we can take x is equal to, here x belongs to this R means x takes the values from real numbers. Any real number can be taken for x. Therefore, -1 can be taken, +1 can be taken, 1.5 can be taken, any number can be taken for x. Then substitute here. Here x is equal to -1 means Here we can substitute x is equal to minus 1 whole raised to 4 is there. Minus 1 whole raised to 4 means plus 1. This plus 1 is a real number. Therefore, we can write 1 belongs to R. Means this R means codomain. This R. Therefore, we can write belongs to R. 1 belongs to R. Then take next number. Next value. Any value can be taken. Plus 1. For example, plus 1 can be taken. G of 1. Here we can substitute 1 raised to 4 is equal to 1. This one also belongs to real number or R. R means this codomain. First R is domain. Second R is codomain. Both are same. But domain and codomain are equal here. Then we can take next values. We can take next values for x. Then we will get the values of y or f of x here. Now from these values we can say here each element in the domain has no different image in the codomain. Here there is no different. Here values are equal here. No different values. Here each element in the domain has no different value. Therefore, we can say g of x is equal to x raised to 4 is not 1 function. Now, second one is over. Then, what is third one? This is third one. Here, first one f, then g. Third one is f of g. F of g should be found out. Also, f of g is nothing but f is f. Of means we can put bracket. Then g. G is g of x. G means g of x. Then substitute the value of g of x. What is g of x? G of x is nothing but x raised to 4. That value can be substituted instead of g of x. Here we can substitute x raised to 4. Now this f is f. F of x raised to 4 should be found out. Here f of x raised to 4 means we can substitute x is equal to x raised to 4 in f of x. What is f of x? F of x is x raised to 5. Here we can substitute instead of x. We can substitute x raised to 4. X raised to 4. Therefore, this becomes x raised to 4 whole raised to 5. Now, x raised to 4 whole raised to 5 means here we can multiply these two powers. 4 into 5, 20. X is x. X raised to 4 into 5, 20. Here, for more details, see the problem 1 in x is 1, 5. Now, f of g. What is f of g? F of g is nothing but x raised to 20. F of g means f of g of x. Both are same. Is equal to x raised to 20. Then, take the values for x. Again, we can take any real number can be taken for x. First, for example, minus 1. Then take 1, etc. Here x is equal to minus 1 means here also we can substitute x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole raised to 20. Here minus 1 whole raised to 20 is nothing but plus 1. 20 times. Here even number, power is even number. Therefore, this minus becomes plus. Then 1 raised to 20 is nothing but 1. Then take plus 1. Here x is equal to 1. Means here also we can substitute x is equal to 1. 1 raised to 20. 1 raised to 20 is nothing but 1. Here from these values we can say each element in the domain has no different image in the codomain. There is no difference. They are same. Therefore, we can say this function f of g of x is equal to x raised to 20 is not 1 function. Note. If the power n is even, then f of x is equal to x raised to n is not 1. Here, if power is even number, then this function is not 1. And if the power n is odd, then we can say f of x is equal to x raised to n is 1. Here, power is even. Therefore, it is not 1 function. Here, power is even means it is not 1 function. Here, in g of x, what is g of x? Here, power is even. Therefore, it is not 1 function. In f of x, here power is odd. Therefore, it is 1 function. Therefore, we can say if power is even, not 1 1. If power is odd, function is 1 1.